Today I'm going to look at the Bilora Pro 27M tripod. This tripod is made of silicone and plastic. It looks pretty impressive at this moment. It has a strong legs and very sturdy. And this tripod is 125 kg heavy, and it can carry 2.5 kg of weight. So let's see other function about this Bilora Pro 27M tripod. So the first thing, if you like to increase the height of this tripod, it is possible from the leg. You can pull this out, those legs. You can pull it out about 2.5 feet or even 3 feet. So you can increase the height pulling out these legs. So it is more higher now, and also you can make it higher from the top stick. It goes about this size over here. I think this is well enough for the general shooting work. And the other thing is good about this tripod is the stick comes out, so you can use the handheld like a selfie stick. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back here. So it can move a 360-degree direction well enough. The one thing about your camera goes here. This is screw here. You just put your camera, the hole. One thing about this is screw is when you put your camera, when you connect your camera with this screw, the screw won't hold your camera tightly. Your camera still gets loose, so it's move around really badly. So it is not good idea to carry and shoot. So what I do is I put those double adhesive beneath my camera, where is a screw hole. By the side of the screw hole I put the double adhesive, and then I put my camera and I screw here, and that's works temporarily. But without those adhesive, the camera gets really shaky. So it is not impossible to carry yourself and the shoot. That's the bad part of it, and that's destroy everything when you want to move around your camera. It will get shaky because your camera, even you screw it get loose, because your camera won't go properly into the grip, and it stay loose. So that's a bad part. So you have to consider if your camera stay sturdy, stay unloosed. This is a important thing as well as the camera, the tripods, how strong it is, you know, how sturdy it is. You have to check those things carefully. So you have to make sure before you buy the tripod that your camera stays sturdy and not stay loose. That's the most important thing. And this Bilora Pro 27M, everything is good, but the screw is not good. It stay your camera loose. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.